Yeah, they call me the juggler, 'cause I always have three lovers, and I burn through Trojan rubbers like no other. But when I'm not between the sheets, I'm busy staying undercover. Ain't as sweet as it seems being the juggler. Yeah, 'cause Edith likes eating at East of Eden, where Wendy works on Wednesday evenings, and Donna Lee does her laundry 2 doors down. So when I'm out to eat with Edith, I'm always worried Wendy's watching, and equally that Donna Lee's gonna be around. And what's worse is Wendy lives by the Wally World, where Donna Lee goes to the pharmacy, and Edith's ex-old man's employed there. So I choose to keep a low profile and sneak around like it's going out of style, and try to keep these balls up in the air. Yeah, they call me the juggler, 'cause I always have 3 lovers. Sometimes I wish I had me a twin brother, because it takes a lot of steam making all that hubba hubba. Ain't as sweet as it seems being the juggler. Yeah, but I had 3 more the month before, Tanya, Tina, and Isadora, but that all ended in a puddle of tears and blood. I had Tanya down for 10 to noon, and Tina turned up around 1 or 2, and Izzy used me all night like a stud. But one day Tanya showed up a little late, and Tina turned up a lot early, so fists were flying till Izzy came that night. I'm pretty sure at the doors when they threw me on the floor, while Tanya and Tina punched and kicked and swore, and long story short, I lost the fight. Yeah, they call me the juggler,